How can you tell if a person is healthy or not? Are you on the fence about smart toothbrushes too? DENTiCARE Smart Sonic Toothbrush by Q-Tech is here to settle all your reservations. It has 5 fantastic brushing modes that transition from clean, whitening, polish, soft to super sensitive. It connects to a smart app to provide real-time feedback that covers 16 essential brushing zones. It'll also let you know when you missed a spot. Dentists agree that it cleans 7 times more plaque and improves gum health within the first 2 weeks. We could rave about this smart toothbrush for hours at end, but you won't be able to convince yourself until you try it out yourself. So it's time to step up your oral hygiene routine. Go grab your very own Smart Sonic toothbrush for the optimal brushing experience.